What if I told you there's a way to memorize 10 times faster, without textbooks, without flashcards, and without even trying? The CIA uses these exact methods to train their spies, and today I'm handing them over to you. Forget boring study routines. These spies could master new languages in weeks and memorize entire files in minutes. Ready to hack your brain? Let's dive in. The 5 sense memory trick. Ever smelled something and been transported back in time? That's your memory hijacking your senses. The CIA turned this into a memory superpower. While studying, chew mint gum. Later, sniff mint. Boom, instant recall. Your brain thinks it's still in study mode. Want to level up? Pair smells, music, or colors with different study sessions. That green shirt? It's now your Russian vocabulary shirt. A pro tip. Use this trick for exams. Wear the same scent or color you studied with to trigger recall. Neuropriming. Learn better under pressure. CIA agents don't train in quiet libraries, they train in chaos. Gunfire, sirens, distractions everywhere. And guess what? They learn better under pressure. A pro tip. Study with background noise like mall sounds or street noise. Start quiet, then increase the chaos every few days. Add an alarm every 8 minutes to simulate distractions. The Feynman technique. A teaching hack. This is a secret weapon spies use to master complex information. It's so simple, it feels like cheating. Pretend you're teaching the concept to a 10-year-old. Use simple language and avoid jargon. If you can't explain it clearly, you don't understand it well enough. Go back, fill in the gaps, and simplify until it's crystal clear. A pro tip. Record yourself teaching. Watching or listening to the recording reinforces the information and helps you spot areas for improvement. Sleep learning. Imagine this, you're sleeping, and your brain is secretly downloading knowledge like an automatic update. Sounds weird, right? It's called sleep learning, and it's real. Here's how it works. Before bed, listen to 4 Hertz theta wave tracks on YouTube while reviewing your notes. Russian verbs, math formulas, or even history events. Theta waves put your brain in that sweet, hazy zone between awake and asleep, where it absorbs information effortlessly. Boom. Now you've got the right tools to memorize 10 times faster, just like a CIA spy. Try these hacks and watch your memory improve. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite memory trick. See you in the next video.